Ganun.
Medyo meron may mga similarities, mabilis din sila maglaro, may mga bata rin sila sa team nila, no? Everybody can shoot, they're moving the ball, parang ganun din kami. Kaya tama yun, maraming similarities, but ang tingin ko kasi no, itong series na to, sabi ko kanina even before the start of the game, bigay mo lahat ng kaya mo, trabaho pa, but at the end of the game, it's really, there's really luck involved. Swertein ka, it's going to be 1 or 2 possessions ang diferensya. Ang sinasabi ko rin sa kanila, yung free throws natin, dami nating namimintis, ang laro sa playoffs decided by 1 or 2 points. Sayang naman yung mga free throws natin. So, may halong swerte, pero ang tingin ko yung swerte darating sa'yo pag kinayod mo, pag nagsipag ka, which we did today. Of course, no, tingin ko kaya namin, no, kaya lang parang nakakapagod yung parati ka na lang do or die. Yun nga, at some point you will die. So, kung maiwasan mo, no, ayaw na, gusto nga namin maka top 4 kami para meron naman kaming margin, pero hindi mubra eh. So this is the way, no? This is the way. Now we look at it as we're 1 win away from another semifinals. That's the way we look at it. Isang panalo na lang, isang laro na lang, buhay uli tayo, semifinals uli tayo. Yun ang perspective namin.